Hello mga mami, samahan niyo ako sa Shanghai Saloon in Molito, Alabang. This place is near my house, so I'm so happy because one, it's super spacious. I really don't like places na ang sikip, but this one, there's a lot of space. People can actually pass by without bumping into you, so that's a good thing. May live fish din, kaya naman authentic Chinese feels talaga. And toasted sesame prawns, grabe, ang sarap. This hakaw, super good kahit makulay siya. The siopaw, sobrang panalo. This chicken feet, grabe. This is like my second best favorite. And the shrimp wonton na fried, I could have eaten 10 pieces. And this, the condensed milk, the buchi, kita mo naman, enjoy na enjoy si bunso ko. Kasi masarap talaga. And, hello, my roasted duck. Grabe ha, ang legit. Super happy kami, kaya pass by na.